Alright, so a couple of animals in Spanish. A few basic words just to get us off the bat. Mascota means pet, perro is dog, and gato is cat. So just a little friendly reminder, remember that depending on the gender of the animal, the O or the A will change. So in this case, for oso or bear, oso, if it's feminine, will be osa, and that's for a female bear. Oso with the O is for a masculine bear, or just in general. Pájaro is bird, búfalo is buffalo, mariposa is butterfly, gallina is a hen, vaca is cow, ciervo is deer, delfín is dolphin, pato is duck, aguila is eagle, elefante is elephant, pez is fish, zorro is fox, flamenco is flamingo, jirafa is giraffe, cabra is goat, hipopótamo is hippo, caballo is horse, canguro is kangaroo, león is lion, and mono is monkey. Cerdo is pig, cangrejo is crab, abeja is bee, alligator is alligator, and cocodrilo is crocodile. Rinoceronte is rhino, llama is llama, rana is frog, ajolote is axolotl. And those will be all of our Spanish animals for today.